Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working on BlueStacks. So let's begin. First, go ahead, open your BlueStacks application. And over here we need to go to settings. So click on the gear icon and you will have this options and interface. Just click on devices. Now over here on the camera section, okay, make sure that you have selected the correct camera device or the correct device, because sometimes if the incorrect device is selected, that's the number one culprit. So it's just really a misunderstanding. So make sure this is the right device you're using, and then hit clicks hit save changes, right? And for the BlueStacks, yes, that should be it. However, in your computer, you also need to make sure that your camera settings is also accessible. Like make sure this is on, okay, so that applications such as BlueStacks and other programs out there can access and use your webcam for any time or any scenario from their applications. And that's it. As long as you've made the permissions and turned everything on, you should be good to go. I hope you found this video very helpful.